Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some black paint, and I'm going to do a ring pour. So I have white, black, red and yellow, and I'm hoping this, I'm just taking the stirrers out. I'm hoping this will come up very nice. We shall see. There is no silicone in any of these colours, none. So here we go. So I'm going to do the white first. I'm going to pour 2 cups, and white, with the yellow. Should be pretty. Black and a bit more yellow just on the top. And a lukewarm cup of coffee. You like the little froggies? They're cute, aren't they? Not all that palatable when it's lukewarm. Okay, black. White. Red. And now red. White. Getting toward the end here. Red on the top. Right. So here we go. I'll just get all these out of the way. Oh, and I have a record here to pour onto it off. And so I think I'll do the red one first. Going to have too much paint. Should have thought of that. Oh, it looks like Batman. Alright. I'm getting cell action, really. It must be from the Floetrol. Move over, red. Don't be so greedy with space. Right, that actually is quite pretty. This up. Bring it over this way, I think. Yes, that was a waste. No, not liking it at all. Go over there. Goodness, what a shame. Alright, well I've got enough here to start again. Not a lot of white, so we just won't use it. I'll put a little bit maybe, and I'll do one right in the middle. A little bit of black, some more yellow, some more red. What have we got here? Bit of a mixture. The last of the white. Ah, can you believe that? Okay, let's not panic. I shall wipe my hands and I'll do this another way. I can't believe I did that. Alright, so excuse me while I get my weapon of mass destruction. Where are you, weapon? Come on, it's spreading out on me. Alright, I don't know where it is, so I'll just get this one. So will I. That'll do. Oh my goodness. I really would like to have that other. I'll just have a look over here. Don't you just hate it when you can't find what you're looking for and you know it's here? Right, so I'm going to put this on a piece of paper. Just a piece of printer paper and put it on. This is sad. See what I can come up with now. It's supposed to be this at all. Okay. There we go. That, might as well grab these sticks while I'm at it. So I can have some more red in here now. The last of it. Last of the black. I think this is what you call accidental art. It's only called that if it actually works out. Other than that, it's called a scrub off. This is the yellow. And I do have a plastic now to wash. And the last of the white. And let's see if I can't hang on to this. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to swipe it. Come back here. I'll have to fold this over. I'm going to wear it. It's not going to be my day today, I don't think. Come up here. It's actually looking a lot better now, even with that on there. But I shall tilt. think this is what they call it, because now it is without a doubt 100% better. Just getting that into the middle, and I'm happy. I'm not happy about throwing paint all over the place. Look at the mess I've made here. Now I'll just do this one around, see what we have here. These are a bit different to tilt, you have to keep turning them. Right. And that's quite pretty too. So I'll just put him back over here. I'll bring you across. You get on there. Get in my way. Right. Well, alright, so I'm quite happy with this chappy. And I'm just going to wash my hands off and then give him a torch. Just making sure that the corners are done. And they are. I don't like that white. Okay. Alright, rinsing off my hands. So those grubby hands are now clean, and torch over there. What's that? Very good. So here we have it, and I'm really quite impressed with it, although I've got some white dots I don't like. So I'm just going to eradicate. Okay, so that's that. Oh gee, that's really turned out nice, even though I threw the paint all over the table. Dogs, hey, stop it. Which sock is that? Ooh, you wicked dog. They're just stealing my socks. They are not toys. I've got paint all over the floor and the dogs have walked in it. Alright, I'm not going to whinge anymore. I'll bring you down to take a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. To laugh a minute here. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. This is what I was just doing. And please give it the thumbs up. I worked hard for this one. I really like it. And I think that's all I need to tell you. So I'm just going to go and clean my floors now and my cloth. I did make a mess, as you can see. I picked up most of it, but hey. Oh, and the other one that you wanted to have a look at too, wasn't it? Was the record. There she is. That's really quite pretty as well. I I like that one. But this one here has really turned out quite spectacular, and I'm very happy. I especially like the centrepiece. But yeah, I'm rather glad I didn't have any silicone in, because I think too many cells would have just absolutely spoiled this one. A few cells there. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.